Good morning. Actually, it could be anytime, anywhere, couldn't it? Huh. Welcome to the internet. I'm Benjamin. I'm the proud owner of Gaston Motorcycle Works. We restore vintage motorcycles and we repair vintage motorcycles, vintage Japanese motorcycles. Sometimes we do European stuff, but primarily it's Japanese vintage restoration, and we keep them running, keeping them alive. We've had some articles written about us in newspapers and magazines. We're kind of proud of that. We've also won a few awards, and we have had one of our bikes go into a museum, which is actually really a cool thing for us. Makes it seem like the work that we're doing is being appreciated. So we've decided to include or add to our process here videos of some of the work that we've done and how to videos so that you can do the work that we're doing on your own bike. I hope that you will take a minute to subscribe to our channel. I hope that you will also encourage your friends to do it. That'd be a really great thing because it makes us feel like what we're doing is being appreciated and helpful. We like that. Thanks very much.